Emerging markets matter because they often have higher growth rates compared to developed markets. For instance, countries like India and China have experienced GDP growth rates of over 6% annually, whereas developed countries typically see around 2% growth. This higher growth potential is attractive to investors looking for significant returns. Additionally, emerging markets offer access to untapped consumer markets and industries, driven by a growing middle class. This expansion provides new opportunities for businesses and investors alike. Diversifying your portfolio with emerging market investments can also help balance out the volatility of other investments, providing a more stable overall portfolio. Understanding the basics of emerging market investing is crucial. These markets are characterized by rapid growth but also come with higher risks and volatility. Investment options in emerging markets include stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds, each with its own set of advantages and risks. Common risks associated with emerging markets include political instability, currency fluctuations, and a lack of transparency. Being aware of these risks is essential for making informed investment decisions. When it comes to strategic approaches to investing in emerging markets, diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different countries and sectors, you can mitigate some of the inherent risks. Long-term investments are often more rewarding in emerging markets, as they allow you to ride out short-term volatility and benefit from sustained growth. Utilizing dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of market conditions, can help minimize the impact of market fluctuations and reduce the risk of making poor investment decisions based on short-term market movements. For beginners, there are several practical tips to keep in mind. Start small and gradually increase your investment over time as you become more comfortable with the market dynamics. Investing through reputable brokers or financial advisors can provide valuable guidance and help you navigate the complexities of emerging markets. Staying informed about global events and economic trends is also crucial, as these factors can significantly impact emerging markets. Managing risk and maximizing returns in emerging markets requires regular monitoring of your investments and adjusting your strategy as needed. Focus on value investing by looking for undervalued companies with strong growth potential. This approach can help you identify opportunities that others might overlook. It's also important to avoid letting fear or greed dictate your investment decisions. Maintaining a rational and disciplined approach will help you achieve better long-term results. In summary, investing in emerging markets offers higher growth potential, access to new consumer markets, and diversification benefits. Understanding the basics, adopting strategic approaches, following practical tips, and managing risks effectively can help you succeed in this dynamic and rewarding investment landscape.